Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily upload a new plugin to WordPress. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in your dashboard, then just click plugins, and then just click add new. When you're going to do it, you want to click on add plugins. You're going to see this button, upload a plugin. And then if you have a plugin in zip format, you may install it by uploading it here. Yes, choose a file. And now I prepared for you a plugin right here. Let me find it. Okay. Yes, download plugin. Just upload it and install now. Okay. Activate the plugin. Okay. And now, as you can see, the plugin is called download plugin, and this is how we do it. Now, all I have to do is, if I want to delete it, is just click deactivate. And when I got it, click delete. Okay. And voila, here we got it. So this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And thank you, see ya, and goodbye.